All right, now let's work on the Create Reminders worksheet. For you to be able to see it easy today, I'm going to go ahead and use this size right here. First thing I would do is I decide what is it that I'm actually trying to work on. And what I'm trying to work on would be courage. I'll write that down. Courage for videos. Sounds like a good topic. And then I might stop to think, okay, what words, I need to go in to this huge list of words, and I want to really focus in on a section that might give me the strongest amount of words. And so always remember that your more powerful words, your more powerful feelings and attitudes are going to be above the level of 200. Remember, this was a study that was done by a psychologist and a doctor, and they found that when they were testing individuals, when they thought about words that were below 200 on the scale that they created, below 200, they actually went weak. And these were words like fear, worry, all the negative type of things. But then when they thought about words that were stronger, more productive, more positive, then their muscle strength actually went up. Their body strength went up, and they felt more like greater enthusiasm to do something. Their attitude increased. So what we're looking for is words that are 200 and above. So I'm going to put down, first thing that comes to my mind would be 665. Let's see, I want to do another one. So 892. And 451, and also 551. So remember, I said keep it simple. Usually I just do 3, but I went ahead and added an extra one, so that gave me 4. Then what I'll do is I'll go to the list that's on the website, and as a member you have access to that. Okay, I'm going to pull this over here. See, I don't know how well it'll be for you to be able to see it. I think this is going to be kind of tricky, but you can go ahead here and use the little cursor, and you go along and you click on the numbers to lead you to the page that contains all of those. So for example, I'm looking for 451, so I go to the 400s and click on the 400. Then I scroll down until I find 451. And there it is, 451. A strong sense of reassurance. God's got my back. I know where I belong and my goals and desires. I'm choosing to be in tune with the promptings that I feel within. I trust God's guidance and the fact that I am being guided. And this actually replaces 85, which is worry. Well, that would make sense because I'm always worried if I'm going to look like an idiot on the video. But anyway, replaces 85, worry, the kind that creates feelings of torment, nervous apprehension, and fretting, unable to love and support the self. So what I really want out of this is I don't want every single word that's there. I just want to have, I trust God's guidance and the fact that I'm being guided. And I'll go up to the list again here of all the numbers that goes across, and I'll find the 500s. I click on the 500. Brings up that page, 500 to 599. I scroll down to 551. Daily purpose, view the situation clearly. 551. Daily purpose, view the situation clearly. Think through actions and choices. Have a clear picture of daily responsibilities. I like that one. Have a clear picture of daily responsibilities. All right, then I go to 665. Viable trend, thinking different. The value of having a worldly view, leaving no experience to waste. I'm going to go ahead and just write down leaving no experience to waste. I can learn from all things. And then the last one is 892. Go back to the list, go to the 800s, click on it. Bringing up that page, I look for 892, which is going to be close to the top, so it's quick. Faith to step out of one's comfort zone. Isn't that awesome? I go through the 4 of these and I put together, formulate a phrase, an energetic reminder that I can say over and over to myself to push out those worries and concern feelings, thoughts that come through my head. So I'm going to start out with, usually always start out with I am. I am trusting God's guidance and the fact that I am being guided. I have a clear picture of what I want to accomplish. All right, this I added my own because basically daily responsibilities, what I'm trying to accomplish, if you go back up here, is courage for videos. I'm trying to create videos. So I have a clear picture of what I want to accomplish. I leave no experience to waste. I can learn from all things. I have faith to step out of my comfort zone. All right, that is my energetic reminder. And as I say that over and over to myself, then I'm putting that into my mind more than the fear or the critical thoughts about making videos. I am trusting God's guidance and the fact that I am being guided. I have a clear picture of what I want to accomplish. I leave no experience to waste. I can learn from all things. I have faith to step out of my comfort zone. Perfect. So now I've created my Cre8 Reminder that I'll read over and over. You can take one more step after this, which is a really powerful step, and that is to turn it into a visual. Add some kind of creative element to it, and that helps to enforce it into your mind.